Bob calls his friend and says, "Hey dude, I have found an alligator in my house. What shall I do?" His friend answers, "No worries, bro. Take him to the zoo park." Bob agrees with his friend's decree and answers, "Noted." A few days later, Bob's friend calls him to know about the alligator. Friend asks Bob, "So, did you take the alligator to the zoo park?" Bob answers, "Yes, dude. And tonight, I'm going to take him to the cinema." A friend asks Bob about his job. Friend: "By the way, Bob, what is your job?" Bob answers, "Never ask a saboteur about his job." Bob was asked, "Would you like to be in God's place?" Bob answers, "Nope." They ask Bob, "Why?" Bob answers, "Because you will not have any progress." Bob was invited to Africa, then was shown a crocodile to him and asked him, "What do you say to him in your country?" Bob answers, "We don't dare to tell him anything." A man calls to the police to get the help. Says, "Help me, officer, please. One stranger broke in our house." The officer asks the man, "Are you sure?" The man says, "Would you like me to give the earphone to him to talk to him?"